So for a long time I've been thinking about buying a house. I'm always thinking if it's the right moment or not, if I should invest the money here or in something else. And I was always a bit afraid of getting something that is very permanent, that you can get surprises that you are not expecting, and that's the reason I never took the first step. With the recent situation of the pandemic and everything, I started again thinking that maybe there would be a market drop that would help me to get a leverage and make a better investment, but still there was everything else around buying a house that was always scaring me. And that's the reason I decided to look for help, and that's the reason why I found Inspire, because I wanted at least a second opinion, but also all this customized service that they were offering me. I decided that, let's give it a try. To be honest, when I started talking, I didn't know if I was going to buy or not because of these concerns that I had, but I decided, okay, let's at least give it a try. And in the end, to be honest, I bought a house, and it was easier than to buy a pair of jeans. At least it took less time. It's honestly, I was not expecting it. I was surprised. I'm still surprised. I'm very surprised that I got a house that I like in the place that I wanted, with a price that I was looking for. I was really not expecting this experience to be as smooth and as easy as it was. Maybe I was extremely lucky, I don't know, maybe I was extremely lucky, or maybe it was because of the help that Inspire gave me, but I can only recommend it. I don't regret it at all. I think it really fulfilled all that I was expecting.